Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you're still using an older iPhone, maybe an iPhone 8 XR11 or even something older, this video is super important for you. There are a few things you should do right now to keep your iPhone running fast, secure, and battery friendly. Let's go over them one by one. Step one, to update your iPhone. Seriously, do it. I know some people avoid updates because they think it'll slow down their phone, but that's not really true anymore. Apple has gotten much better at optimizing newer iOS versions like iOS 26. For older models, these updates fix security holes, improve performance, and prevent your iPhone from becoming vulnerable to bugs or even malware. So go to Settings, General, Software Update, and if you see an update available, tap Download and Install. You'll thank yourself later. Step 2, free up storage space. Older iPhones often have limited storage, maybe 64 GB or even less. When your storage gets full, everything slows down, your apps crash, messages lag, and even your camera might act weird. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and check what's taking up the most space. Delete old photos, offload unused apps, and clear large video files you don't need. You can also back up your photos to iCloud or Google Photos so you don't lose them. Keeping at least 3 to 5 GB of free space makes a huge difference in performance. Step 3, check your battery health. If your iPhone feels like it's dying way too fast, it's time to check your battery. Go to Settings, Battery, Battery Health and Charging. If it says your maximum capacity is below 80%, it means your battery's worn out and probably needs a replacement. Apple or an authorized service provider can replace it, and it'll feel like a brand new phone again. And remember, using genuine Apple batteries is super important for performance and safety. Step 40, turn off background apps you don't need. Older iPhones don't have the same level of processing power as newer ones, so multitasking drains battery and slows things down. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and either turn it off completely or limit it to essential apps only, like messages or mail. Step 5, clean up your Safari data and cache. Your browser stores a lot of junk over time. Clearing it can make a noticeable difference. Just head to Settings, to Safari, clear history and website data. Boom, instant performance boost. Step 6, don't forget to restart your iPhone once in a while. Sounds simple, but restarting clears temporary files and resets system memory. Doing this once a week keeps your phone running smoother and faster. And finally, Step 70, protect your iPhone with a proper backup. If your phone's old, you never know when it might suddenly stop working. So make sure to back up your data to iCloud or your computer. Go to Settings, key your name, iCloud Backup, and make sure it's turned on. That way, even if your iPhone gives up one day, your data is safe. So to sum it all up, update to the latest iOS version, clear some storage, check your battery health, turn off background, refresh, clear Safari cache, restart your phone weekly, and always keep a backup. Doing these simples can extend the life of your iPhone and make it feel much newer than it actually is. All right, that's it for today's video. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next iPhone tip or trick.